Alright, so I want to clean up this air filter and put things back together. So I went out and I bought some brake clean and some carburetor parts cleaner. So I'm going to put some gloves on. I'm going to spray this filter and hopefully take the dirt and the oil out of it. So this is kind of messed up down below. So spray this, get this cleaned up. Okay. I'll put a little bit of spray in here and then see if we can get some of the dirt and oil out of it. Yeah, that's all dirt coming out of there. I'm going to try some of the carburetor parts cleaner as well. Look at that junk coming out of there. Wow. That's some dirt. I'm getting it clean. This side's got an oil stain on it, but there's no oil there. It's just like carbon. But we'll give it a little bit more. Okay, that is clean now. Let that over there dry. I'm going to spray this a little bit more. I'm going to dry that off with a paper towel. That's clean. take the air filter, roll it up in a paper towel and squeeze it. And that's clean. All right. You get your back in place. Turn this around. Okay. Clean air filter. We're going to go back in here. All right. That's our air filter. And this is our cover. That's going to go over this little tab here and then snap into place. Now that completes the cleanup and everything of this unit. I will put together a video when I get the water hooked up and give it a test. But thank you for watching. Appreciate all the time. Bye-bye.